Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. Today we are going to discuss function of chromosome, then cytoplasm, the third part of cell. After that we will discuss cell organelles. Clear? As you know, we are discussing the cell, fundamental unit of life. In that we have already discussed part of cells. First part, that is plasma membrane, then second part, that is nucleus, and third part cytoplasm. Cytoplasm we will discuss today. Let's finish nucleus. In that the remaining is, that is function of nucleus. What is the function of nucleus? Nucleus serves as a controlling center of the cell. Without the nucleus, a cell can neither survive nor perform specialized functions. Clear? Means सेल के सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को कंट्रोल कौन करता है? न्यूक्लियस करता है. क्लियर? इट इज द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ जीन्स एंड हेल्प इन ट्रांसमिटिंग हेरेडिटरी इन्फॉर्मेशन from parents to their offspring. Clear? It controls the production of enzyme essential for metabolic activities. It regulates the cell cycle or cell division. These are functions of nucleus. Clear? Now we are going to discuss cytoplasm. As you know, a cell has three main parts. Which are those? First one, plasma membrane or cell membrane. Second, cytoplasm. And third, nucleus. In that we have already discussed. प्लाज्मा और सेल मेम्ब्रेन डिस्कस हो गया है, न्यूक्लियस डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. देन नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस cytoplasm. Where it is situated? In between nucleus and cell membrane. Clear? That space is called as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is present in the cell of all living organism. It is a colorless, partly transparent and semi-fluid substance. It fills the space between plasma membrane and nucleus. Clear? Means plasma membrane और nucleus के बीच में जो space होता है, that space is called as cytoplasm. Structure. Cytoplasm consists of cytoplasmic matrix or crystal or cytosol, cell organelles and cell inclusions. Means cytoplasm में ही cell organelles वगैरह प्रेजेंट होते हैं. Cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol is a jelly-like semi-fluid. Cell organelles are subcellular structure that have distinct shape, chemical composition and functions. Cytoplasm contains various inorganic molecules such as water, sodium, potassium, and various organic materials like carbohydrate, lipid, protein, nucleic acid, and several enzymes. A number of cell organelles float in the cytosol of cytoplasm. Several biochemical reactions takes place in the cytoplasm. Clear? Now function of cytoplasm. What is the function of cytoplasm? Function of cytoplasm. It helps in intracellular distribution of molecule, enzymes and nutrient within the cell. It is the site where certain metabolic activities of cells such as glycolysis occurs. It helps in exchange of materials between different cell organelles and also with external environment. It is the site for biosynthesis of protein, fatty acid and nucleotides. Clear? This is the third part of cell. Now we will discuss cell organelles. What are cell organelles? Those structures which are found in cytoplasm are called as cell organelles. Cell organelles may be surrounded by a membrane or may not be surrounded by a membrane. Like ribosome does not surrounded by a membrane, means राइबोसोम जो ऐसा सेल ऑर्गेनली है जिसके चारों तरफ कोई मेम्ब्रेन नहीं पाई जाती है. क्लियर? दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइबोसोम ऐसा सेल ऑर्गेनली है जिसके चारों तरफ कोई मेम्ब्रेन नहीं पाई जाती है. मीन्स राइबोसोम डज नॉट हैव एनी मेम्ब्रेन around themselves. Let us start cell organelles. A cell consists of several subcompartments to carry out complex cellular activities in the most efficient and organized manner. This is a prime requirement of highly evolved cells, multicellular organism, which needs a great deal of activities to maintain their complicated cellular structure. In order to separate the various metabolic activities from each other, these cells have various membrane-bound cell organelles. Cell organelles are living part of the cell that float in cytoplasmic matrix, each having a distinct shape, structure and function. Endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, plastids, vacuoles, centrosome, peroxisome are some important cell organelles. Some of these cell organelles seen only with the help of an electron microscope, means we cannot see with the help of simple or compound microscope. We can see only with the help of electron microscope. Clear? Let us start first cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Occurrence: it is found in eukaryotic cell but absent in mature erythrocytes or RBC of mammals and prokaryotic cells. Structure: the endoplasmic reticulum has a fine structure such that its existence can be revealed only by observing through an electron microscope. It is an irregular tube-like network of double membrane bound structure. In some places, it is connected to cell membrane at one end as well as the nuclear membrane at another end. मीन्स ये जो है सेल मेम्ब्रेन से भी जुड़ा होता है और एक एंड पे और दूसरे एंड पे न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से जुड़ा होता है. द थ्री इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम दैट इज सिस्टर्नी, क्लोज्ड फ्लूइड filled sacs, tubules and vesicles. The endoplasmic membrane is similar in structure to that of plasma membrane. Depending on presence or absence of ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, it is of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have any ribosome attached on its surface, hence appears smooth. The SCR is found, or smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in liver cells, intestinal cells, adipose cells. Rough endoplasmic reticulum on the other hand has a rough membrane because of presence of ribosomes attached to itself. It is found in cell like plasma cells, goblet cells and fibroblasts. Clear? Now function of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum forms the supporting framework of cell. Its large surface area inside the cell is the site for various metabolic activities. It helps to keep various cell organelles in position. It acts as a pathway for distribution of materials, especially proteins, from one part of the cell to another part. It also referred to as internal transport system of the cell. It is associated with synthesis, storage and transport of metabolic products such as protein and lipids. Next one. Protein synthesis occurs on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum by ribosome, whereas lipid and steroid synthesis occurs on the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Some of the synthesized protein and lipids of endoplasmic reticulum help in building the plasma membrane. This process is called as membrane biogenesis. The organelles involved in membrane biogenesis are rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and secretory vesicles. Some other synthesized protein and lipids of endoplasmic reticulum as enzyme and hormones. SCR or smooth endoplasmic reticulum of liver of vertebrates play an important role in detoxification of many poisonous substances and drugs. This is about endoplasmic reticulum. We will discuss ribosomes and other cell organelles in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.